Tragedy strikes Rocky Point, Clarendon, as 3 people were found dead in a shocking incident last evening. The victims have been identified as 32-year-old fisherman Lynval Henry, his mother Annette Lindo, a domestic helper, and Ingrid Keisha Lindo, a vendor from West End. Around 9:10 p.m., police were called to a residence in Frazersfield after reports of an attack. Upon arrival, officers found all 3 individuals with severe injuries and, sadly, they were pronounced dead at the scene. A male relative was taken into custody shortly after the incident and is currently assisting with the investigation. At this time, no charges have been filed, and authorities are still piecing together the details of what led to this horrific tragedy. The Jamaica Constabulary Force has launched a full investigation, urging anyone with information to come forward and help piece together the sequence of events.
But we know him an unstable person. He's unstable. You understand? So, I know people who grieve because I work for family. Almost the whole of this district here and family. They have the biggest set of family in that place. So it's only for impact. For know, even a little baby them one day, we run out first, and I tell people, say, I pay that up there. I know, say, them, even them, go for little, you know?